Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels. I've been waiting a long time to open this one up, and I finally get to. This is the Heavy Hitcher from the Hot Wheels Metro series, number 2 of 10, and number 36 of 250 for the year. We got it in the blue Recolor, and I have here the red first color for 2021. And this casting first debuted in 2019. GTC 28 is the number, 2 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Metro series. And I'll do a demonstration on how this casting works. International card, I got this on my Shaws a few months ago. It's a tow truck, the Heavy Hitcher tow truck. Pretty light casting. A lot of plastic on it. We'll start off by looking at the details in the front. Not much details in the front. I think those are like headlights, and there's the bumper there. 3 windshield wipers, that's interesting. Heavy Hitcher on the side, we've got some nice decals, nice looking decals. PR5 rims with the white striping. Looks like we're missing a little bit of paint on that, but here's a look at the side of our Heavy Hitcher. Here's the tow hitch. Can hitch cars onto it, and it's like a spring. It has like a spring to it. It's like suspension. And there's where it hooks on. Exposed rear wheels. Here's our Heavy Hitcher. Got some interesting designs down there. Here's the lights, top of the casting. Cool. I like this one. This is a Diecast base, 2018 copyright, made in Malaysia. 2 rivets. FYB 59 was the original number. Here's a look at both of them. Which one do you like more? I actually have no idea which one I like more. But I'm going to test out the tow hitch with my Chevrolet C10. So it's got to hook onto the rivet like that, and you can tow it around. That's a great looking duo right there. You can mix and match it with a bunch of other cars. Could put my Bugatti on the red one. Most cars, not all cars, will fit onto the hitch. That Bugatti has a very far in rivet. Thanks for tuning in and watching me open up this blue Heavy Hitcher, the Recolor, from the Diecast 2021. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.